Alright. Let's do this. Here, take the card, everybody. Take the card. Alright guys, so what this game basically is we each have a gun, and there's a murderer, a sheriff, and an innocent, and what we basically have to do...
Innocent!
I don't care what you are, man. I don't care. So what we basically have to do is we have to... So we have to find out who the murderer is and kill him. There's an innocent, a sheriff, and a murderer. And yeah, guys, we're going to jump right on into this. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want me to do next. And yeah, guys, we're going to jump right on into this. But we're in a round, and Oliver, you're looking suspicious. Daddy's looking really suspicious. I don't know. Don't make me. Don't pull the trigger. Oliver, what are you? No, don't tell me. Ah! I'm dead. Oliver killed me.
You got me. You got me out!
Alright. Alright, Oliver was murdered and he died, so they give out the cards again.
That was such a big risk.
We failed. We failed on peanut butter. Yeah, take a card, you wiener. Take a card.
Oh.
Take a card.
I'm in again.
Take a card.
I'm the same thing again.
Give me.
I think your battery's dying.
No, whatever. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, guys. Hey, Daddy, if Oliver's getting close to you, then he's a murderer. I'm gonna
Don't
go...
you dare come through here.
Oh, sorry. Don't even think about it, dude. Don't even think about it. Hello.
Hey!
Yo, what's up?
Hey!
Oh, I didn't know you were there, Oliver. I was stick my camera. Hello.
Are you dying?
Stop it! Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Stay away.
Don't come near me! I'm switching to the new.
I'm going in this corner. This is my corner now.
No, that's my corner.
This is my... No.
My corner.
Hey, can I go in that corner? Fine, this is my corner. Don't shoot my legs. Don't shoot my... Ah! I fell. No, don't shoot my butt. I'm fine. Am I good? We're good. We're rolling? We're good. I don't know what the fudge you guys are, but...
Yes or no?
Hello?
Are you innocent? Yes or no? Stop! Get away!
Wait, I'm gonna go in the kitchen so I can tell the camera what I am. Hey, get up! Get back.
Daddy's chasing me around, Alex.
Is he actually?
Yes. Yep, definitely. Don't get me.
Don't get near me.
Okay.
I'm gonna go in this room. Alright, guys, listen real good. Get away, I'm trying to tell the camera my identity. Dun, dun,
sure?
dun. What?
Are you sure?
I'm not telling you what I am. I'm just checking. Okay. Hello? You the murderer? Can I get a murderer? That makes me. Oh God, you scared me. I want to go in the kitchen so I can tell. Hey. There's nowhere safe where I can tell them my identity. My poop sauce.
Hey, you didn't use your hand.
Yes, I did. Chop.
No!
I'm dead. Guys, that was the murderer. Oh, I missed. That's a wiener.
Shoot him. Go below. Okay.
Give me a card, you wiener.
You okay?
Give me a card.
Here.
Stop it.
Here. Put it up to the camera. Dad, Dad, here's your card.
What? In the slot. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Wait, I need to load up.
Yes.
Okay, murderer wins.
That was easy.
You like chopped me in the butt.
Yeah. That was so easy. Holy moly, that was easy.
Hey, okay, we have to redo it.
Wait.
Take a card, you wiener.
No. You know how we all know this is a murderer card?
It's got that line.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I
Cards,
just...
you can't tell.
No, wait. Everyone's gonna close their eyes and pick a card.
Close your eyes and pick a card. I got
You
shuffle them.
too.
Yeah, I know. What are you doing? Pick
Cover
a card.
No.
Pick a card. You pick a card and give me a card. I don't care. Just give me a card.
Put your cards in your pocket. Hide them.
Okay.
Or in your underwear.
I'll put it in my underwear, don't worry.
Put mine away.
Okay. Oh wait. Okay, I gotta put my card away then. My card is. Guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Hey. Are you seriously watching TV? Better not be. Wiener. Dude.
Hey!
Hey. Careful, dog. Dog a wiener.
You can trust me so much. I'm going right there.
I am a wiener.
Oh, I'm gonna shot you. I'm not gonna run cop. My gun from your
Sorry. Okay. I am a wiener. I am a wiener. Gosh, you're so sweaty. I am a wiener.
Hey!
What are you hitting me for? Are you the murderer?
No!
You tried to stab me.
No!
What? He's
You
the
tried to
murderer.
stab me.
Shoot him!
You tried to stab me.
You scared me!
You tried to stab me.
Scared me!
Are you the
Okay.
murderer? You
No.
tried to stab me.
No!
I know, right?
You
You tried
scared
to
me!
stab me.
You scared me!
Oh.
Not my fault, you scared me!
Bum.
Hey! Don't you dare go near me! I'm not the murderer! Hey, I'm not the murderer! Stop! I'm not the murderer! You have no proof I'm the murderer.
Ow.
See?
I didn't think you were the murderer. I was just trying to get him close to you.
line on that, on the line that, you know.
Alright, it's the last one. Yeah, you can sit there. So it is fun shooting Alex.
It's not fun
There you
shooting
go.
me.
There, now we don't
Those
know.
are your wieners. Choo 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 choo. Choo 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 choo.
Ready, set,
Go.
3, 2, 1, go.
You can't do that.
I saw you too.
No. Okay. That was the last round. You